What's going on, everybody? Brian McKinnon here, part of the RB Bass team. I'm here to do a fish report on Folsom Lake. So let's get right into it. Water temp is about 50 degrees. In the mornings, it can be a little bit colder, by like a degree or two. But at the end of the day, about 5. Some parts can get to 51. Been catching my fish on points, rock piles, ledges. The fish are wanting to come up. There's schools that are shallow, schools that are deep. They're kind of all over the place. Biggest thing I've been doing has been scoping with the shaking a minnow. Stuff just like, any sort of minnow that you can, use. I got a whole bunch here. I've been using them a lot. This one's been really good. And then there's this. But yeah, just scoping a minnow. Been catching my fish on A-rigs, jigs, Ned rigs, Nico rigs, shaky heads. What else? Been catching a couple fish, throwing more reaction, jerk baits. But yeah, glide baits if the weather's right. It's just if the weather's right, the fish will pull up. If not, like right now, it's bright blue sunny sky. Doubt that they're gonna be pulling up. Yeah, the water, the lake is fishing really good, but they're, a lot of days like this, they get really kind of lethargic and they don't want to really eat anything, and that's when, live scope comes in play, and I can scope them. But if you're fishing from the bank, definitely recommend drop shot, morning dawn, robo worm, margarita mutilator, and a jig. If you throw those two, you'll be able to catch them. Fishing from a boat, A-rig, drop shot, Ned rig, Nico rig, shaky head, darter head, jig, just anything finesse, they'll take. Now, areas in the lake, I've been fishing all parts of the lake, main body, South Fork, North Fork. I haven't really seen a difference in which spot is fishing better. It's just spending the time and keeping your bait in the water has been the key, really. You can catch fish main body, North Fork and South Fork, but it just depends on what you want to throw and what confidence baits you have in, so and that's what it comes down to. Main lake, it's pretty, I'd say it's really easy to throw a shake to throw a minnow, but yeah, but I am a guide out here on Folsom Lake. It's been a lot of fun. Been taking out a lot of clients, and I've just been having a blast. Definitely have this lake mostly figured out, I can say. So I have this place pretty dialed, and been getting my clients on quite a few fish. So if anyone's interested in doing a guide trip, you can text or call me at 916-706-8582. Again, 916-706-8582. You can text or call me. And then my Instagram, definitely check out my Instagram. You'll be able to keep up on how I'm doing. And that's Brian_McKinnon_fishing. And McKinnon is spelled MACKINNON. So it's Brian_McKinnon_fishing, and you can check me out. But yeah, the weather's been pretty good. I don't know what next week's gonna be like, but I'll definitely be giving a weekly fishing reports out here. But before I go, trout fishing, guys that are interested in trout fishing. Now, I've been catching a lot of trout. The last, I think, 3 trips I've done, I've caught over 15 trout, including like a 4-pound king. So I'm using live scope. So is this screen right here, I get live visual. I've been seeing my trout run shallower than 5 feet. So anything from 5 feet and up. They've been just running at it in schools. So the guys that are trolling for trout, have your downriggers down, but then have one rod out with a little spoon or something that's not going to go deeper than 5 feet. Have it just right under the surface, and I swear to you, you'll get them. Been catching a lot of trout, so definitely do that. I've been giving guys trout. I don't keep them, I don't eat them, but I'll throw them in my live well and hand them off to people. Yeah, I've been catching a lot of trout, and they are just running super shallow. So guys that are fishing for trout, yep, definitely throw an extra rod out there, just not even on downriver or anything. And then the king salmon came in about, I think it was 15, 20 feet of water. Peninsula is loaded with kings. It's crazy. I've been reeling up my baits and having kings dart at it. So Peninsula, for you guys that are trolling for kings, Peninsula is doing really good. And then just out by the dam, I've hooked into a couple kings out there too. So yeah, you guys are trolling for trout and kings, there you go. And if you ever see me, stop by. I'll probably have a trout on my level that I'm probably going to give away. So so if you guys see me, ask if I have a trout, because most of the time I do. All right, you guys, well, be safe out on the water, have a great time, and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.